students, welcome to my YouTube channel Creative English Study. Today in this video I am going to discuss with you the fourth lesson of the prose section, Big Data, Big Insights. Let's see the introduction of this lesson. Big data is a term used to describe a collection of data that is huge in size and yet growing rapidly with time. Such a collection of data is so large and complex that none of the traditional data management tools are able to store it or process it efficiently. We have innumerable uses of big data almost in all sectors like education, healthcare, banking, finance, media, advertising, etc. So, this write-up tells us about the method of collection of data, the advantages of big data in various spheres of life, the information we can get by its use. So let's see the summary of this lesson. Big Data, Big Insight is an informative chapter about the newest wave of technology in the world. There is a revolution by big data. Our food habits, our health, our traveling, our scientific pursuit, everything has changed with 360 degrees. Big data consists of multitude of records of information about people from their online and offline activities. Whatever activity people do online or offline is recorded, monitored and analyzed. This information is sourced from the social media, web, mobile phone devices, customer service centers and so on. So a huge amount of data is collected. This is called big data. Big data can be petabytes and exabytes of data consisting of billions to trillions of records of millions of people. Now let's see the 5 V's of big data. The data available to industries and companies is enormously increasing in volume, variation, velocity, veracity and value. So, with the help of big data analytics, this information is studied and helps in finding out unknown facts about people's likes, dislikes and customers' preferences that can help with business growth. Just to drive up industrial growth and beat its competitors, industries began to make use of big data and big analytics. So there are certain things to remember. First, big data means what is meant by big data? Massive amounts of information and records collected from multiple sources like web, customer services, etc. that can be derived insights and trends. When we like a post on WhatsApp, visit any website, make online purchases or watch videos, whatever activity we do online is recorded, monitored and analyzed. Now next, big data analytics. What is big data analytics? This is a complex process wherein large amount of data is examined to uncover hidden insights and that were previously unknown. For example, a hidden pattern, unknown correlation, market trends and customer preferences. So there are innumerable uses of big data in all the sectors. So let's see the major uses of big data. First is location tracking. First, used by Google Maps and GPS to identify, track the location of a place. Big data has been useful in identifying and tracking the exact location of a place. GPS and Google Maps make use of big data. Second is geographic positioning, radio frequency identification sensors, data about the traffic conditions on a particular route. With geographic positioning and radio frequency identification sensors, we get the real-time data about traffic, congestion on a particular route, information if the route is closed or if it is a one-way route, understanding accident-prone areas, etc. Third, we can plan the route according to travel time, transportation of the good. For example, if you have ordered something online or on Amazon, you can track the location of your goods very easily. Fourth, companies reduce risk in transportation, improve speed, reliability in delivery. This has immensely helped the logistics companies to reduce risk in transport, improve speed and reliability in delivery. Second major use of big data is understanding the weather patterns. Understand the weather. There are weather sensors and satellites set up all around the globe. Huge amount of data is continuously being received from them. Second, forecast weather. Big data helps us to understand the weather and help in weather forecasting. Third, weather patterns give us warnings of natural calamity like floods, earthquakes, tsunamis, etc. Fourth, we can study global warming and predict availability of natural resources like water. So another major use of big data is healthcare industry. Today we can see that people have become health conscious. We can use big data for healthcare. Various applications, smartwatches, gadgets, etc. collect data about various functions of our body. We can say that they are our own mini biomedical research devices. Detect our heart rate, monitor our sleep pattern, keep a record of our exercise, measure the distance we have walked. There are so many applications which use big data. Data analyzed and feedback provided. It gives a personalized and individual feedback to each and every person. With the help of big data, doctors can have a better diagnosis of diseases, effects of any drug. Past data of patients can be maintained. Solutions for their problem is given. Better analysis of the health can be obtained. 9. Helps in monitoring the outbreak of epidemics or diseases. Nowadays, everybody using Arogya Setu app. This app provided accurate information about affected people. Self-assessment test. It tells us how to follow safety measures and how to stay safe. How big data helps in banking, finance and trading industry. With the big data analytics, the investment patterns of the people can be studied. New insights have enabled the banks and finance companies to come with suitable plans. Here are some uses of big data in these industries. First, big data helps to predict and prevent cyber crimes, card fraud detection, archival of audit trails, etc. Second, banks can predict future attempts of fraud by analyzing the past data of their customers. Third, it helps in handling issues related to wrong transactions and futures and failures in net banking. Fourth, SEC means Securities Exchange Commission is using big data to monitor financial markets. Fifth, big data algorithms are used to make trading decisions. So, here are some uses of big data in this industry. So, let's see how big data is useful in sports. First, big data has been created the recordings of matches, training sessions and workout. Second, big data enables a sports person to study his performance as well as others. It has tremendously helps in improving individual and team performance. Fourth, the sensors helps us to understand the field conditions and the weather. Fifth, video analytics helps us to see each performance minutely. For example, in cricket, third umpire gives a decision with the help of this big data. Big data is immensely used by advertising industry. Advertisers are one of the biggest players in big data. Be it Facebook, Google, Twitter or any other online giant, all keep a track of the user behavior and transactions. These internet giants provide a great deal of data about people to the advertisers so that they can run targeted campaigns. For example, if you are using any application like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, etc., you will find many advertisements there. If you are frequently search for jewelry or a particular brand or any product on Facebook, next time when you open the Facebook, automatically you will find related products and they will suggest you various brands. How they cites your interest? They cites it from various applications which you use to search these products. They are monitoring sites and products you search for. Next sector is entertainment and media. First, focuses on targeting people with the right content at the right time. In the field of entertainment and media, big data focuses on targeting people with the right content at the right time. Based on your past views and your behavior online, you will be shown different recommendations. This technique is popularly used by Netflix and YouTube to increase engagement and drive more revenues. Third, television broadcasters look viewers' database and show a different advertisement accordingly. Television allows for better revenue from advertisement. Now let's see the use of big data in education industry. Big data has inundated the education industry. First, we can get information about the study pattern of the students. Second, customize dynamic learning programs according to the need of the individual students. We can prepare or customize dynamic learning programs according to students' need. Third, design course material according to the requirement of the students. Every student's comprehension level is different, so course material designed to cater to different requirements of the students. Fourth is avoided one-size-fits-all pitfall. Big data has provided a solution to one of the biggest pitfalls in the education industry, that is one size fits all. Fifth, big data makes it convenient to understand students' choices, difficulties, results, etc. Sixth, from the result we can judge the progress of the students and understand students' strengths and weaknesses and guide them while choosing career. This technology gives new insights into the education industry. This would definitely enhance progress of all the students. We have innumerable uses of big data. It is helpful in scientific researches, understanding geographical phenomena, helping in the smooth working of the government machineries, etc. It is a genie in our hands. It lies in our hands to make the optimum use of it for the benefits of mankind. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you understood all the things which I taught here. Thank you so much.